In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track Dhgate Package. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to enter, and how to read the results so you can stay on top of your delivery. Start by opening your web browser and going to dhgate.com. Give the page a moment to load. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log in before you can see order details. That's normal and helps keep your account secure. Once you're on the site, look toward the top right corner for the profile icon. Click it to open the drop-down menu. This is where Dhgate keeps shortcuts to your account tools. From that drop-down, select My Orders. This takes you to the dashboard that lists your purchases and is the hub for shipment information. On the left side of the My Orders page, find and click Order Tracking. This section is designed specifically for looking up live shipping progress, and it works even if you're checking a package that isn't visible on the main list yet. Now, enter your tracking number in the field provided. This is the carrier tracking number assigned after your seller ships the item, and it's different from your Dhgate order ID. You can usually find it inside the order details or in a shipping notification you received. When you paste the number, make sure there are no extra spaces before or after it, and keep any letters and numbers exactly as shown. Tracking numbers are precise, so even a small typo can cause an error. Next, complete the CAPTCHA. This quick security check confirms you're a real person and protects the tracking tool from automated requests. If the characters are hard to read, refresh the CAPTCHA for a new one. Enter it carefully. Capitalization and character order matter. With your tracking number and CAPTCHA entered, click Track. Give it a few seconds to fetch the latest data. The results should display your package's current status, including the carrier handling it, recent scan points, and any transit updates. International shipments may show stages like accepted, departed facility, or arrived at destination country. It's common for updates to appear in batches, especially during handoffs between postal systems, so don't worry if it pauses for a day or two. If the page shows no result, double-check the tracking number format and try again. New numbers can take a short time to populate in the system. Also be aware that holidays, customs checks, or weather can briefly delay scans. That's it. Go to dhgate.com. Open the profile dropdown, select My Orders, choose Order Tracking, enter your tracking number, complete the CAPTCHA, and click Track. You're all set to follow your package from dispatch to delivery with confidence.